Hey, are you like me and you have so many denim pieces that are either worn out and not sure what to do with it? Yeah, I feel bad because one of the biggest problems we currently face with clothing discard is that we think that it's getting recycled in a way, but the truth is it's getting dumped in the ocean. Okay, I think I have an idea. Inspired by the Japanese Boro stitching, where it's an economical way to reuse worn-out clothing as fabric for new garments, and a technique used to repair clothing to make it last longer, I'm thinking to make a patchwork kimono jacket. Also make sure to stick around till the end for styling ideas.